In manufacturing, speed, precision, and safety aren't just goals, they're essential for survival. But how do you train a workforce to keep up when traditional methods can't scale? Lengthy onboarding, one-size-fits-all learning, and constant talent turnover. Does this sound familiar? Now imagine a training solution that adapts to your pace, people, and plant floor. Hexaware's AI-powered industrial training platform transforms workforce training for manufacturers, whether it's onboarding new employees, cross-training your team, or preparing for product launches. Here's how we make it happen. Mergence Prep turns CAD and 3D models into training-ready content for consistency and scalability. Mergence Studio allows experts to create immersive training modules quickly with a low-code, no-code tool. Mergence XR provides real-world training experiences on VR headsets and tablets for enhanced safety and engagement. Meanwhile, Mergence Web delivers high-quality training on web and tablets without extra gadgets. Additionally, our factory model streamlines the creation of digital twin and 3D, 2D assets for efficient training. And the 3D Asset Repository simplifies asset management, boosting productivity for training content. Our solution isn't just about technology, it's about results. With Hexaware, you can accelerate onboarding, reduce training costs, and keep your workforce ready for what's next. Minimize production downtime with always-on training. Standardize processes while preserving critical knowledge. Empower your team to master multiple roles faster and smarter. Plus, with real-time performance analytics, you'll gain insights into how training impacts your operations. Hexaware's training solutions are designed for your reality, helping you build a capable and confident workforce. Ready to power up your workforce? Let's build the future together.